Welcome to Real-Time Streaming Concerns. I'm Ernest Russell, Technical Product Marketing Manager for Limelight. Today we're going to talk about real-time streaming challenges, the Limelight Network, Limelight Real-Time Streaming Architecture, and Limelight Real-Time Streaming Features. Let's talk about real-time streaming challenges. One of the challenges are reliability. Limelight Real-Time Streaming has several methods of ensuring reliability to your subscribers and to your stream. We support your custom bit rates for adaptive bitrate streaming, and we also support fallback protocols. For fallback protocols, to ensure lowest latency, the preferred delivery for real-time streaming is WebRTC over UDP, or VP8 over UDP. If a connection to the player cannot be established, fallback will occur. Our next challenge is scalability. A common concern of our customers has been real-time streaming at global scale. It's here with Limelight RTS. It's a globally scalable solution capable of supporting hundreds of thousands of users and growing. Our real-time streaming is supported on standard web browsers without the need for special plugins. The next challenge is signaling. Signaling is the communication between peers, and it's set up by an exchange of metadata called signaling. This process is used to initiate and advertise calls, as well as establishing a common set of communication protocols. Limelight Real-Time Streaming allows you to use your preferred method of signaling. You can use a variety of signaling methods, including SIP, or Session Initiation Protocol, XMPP, Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol, or even Java. The next challenge is integration. Our 24/7 support will help you resolve issues quickly. When you call our support line, you'll always get a Limelight employee, not a third-party support group. And our advanced service architects are some of the most knowledgeable technical consultants in the industry. They can provide you help to get you running quickly, deploying your workflow on our infrastructure. How do we do it? What's the secret? Our network. Limelight is able to keep latency low globally because of our privately managed backbone connecting our ingest and edge servers. Now let's look at the Limelight RTS, or real-time streaming architecture. On the left here shows our redundant ingest. You can choose to only have a primary ingest, or, as we suggest, have a primary and a backup ingest into separate regions. Our redundant ingest provides seamless failover from primary to a backup ingest with automatic failback. Also, our live ingest via RTMP allows customers to use common encoders to ingest single or multiple bit rates. We can deliver WebRTC, or VP8, over TCP when firewalls block UDP traffic. If WebRTC cannot be played, the output stream will default to RTMP or transmux to HLS, also with adaptive bitrate. Adaptive bitrate streaming optimizes video for each viewer's bandwidth and network conditions. Let's talk about some of the Limelight RTS features. Limelight Real-Time Streaming has a global footprint with initial deployments of real-time streaming in America, EMEA, and APAC. For security, customers can restrict access to their live streams using slot-specific access control lists and geo-blocking. We also support CORS, or cross-origin resource sharing, to make sure that your traffic is coming from an approved domain. Real-time streaming also supports Media Vault and SSL. For video protocols, real-time streaming supports VP8, HLS, RTSP, and RTMP, and the codec is H.264. Real-time streaming supports adaptive streaming, but requires the customer send multiple bit rates. The customer can send custom bit rates as needed. For analytics, support will monitor with Zabbix. Basic customer analytics are available through Control, and while more advanced third-party analytics are available. Latency. So our latency for data and video is sub-second. No plugins needed. Our integrated data streaming allows for real-time interaction, whether that be for chats, voting, or even betting. Limelight support. Limelight support will help you connect the dots. 24/7 live, in-house support, and a dedicated advanced service architect will help you get started quickly. API and SDK are available. You can download our HTML, our iOS, and Android software developer kits. You can create, configure, and delete streams through our API, or choose to use the GUI located in our control panel. WebRTC standard ICE, turn, and stun are supported to help your traffic get through firewalls that block UDP traffic. Thank you. That concludes my presentation on real-time streaming concerns.